G'day viewers, this is Troy from the Troy's Visual Arts channel. Before I go on and do some linearity adjustments to this TV set, I thought I might just, point the camera towards the chassis and the set itself and the crow just for a bit of fun. So I'm just going to zoom out. So there we go. Got some visual feedback there, pointing the camera to the TV. And here we got the chassis. Just going to zoom her in. Getting as close as I can without getting blurry. So that's the guts of the set. That's a crow lead. Pretty much a spaghetti of wiring of components back in the good old days before printed circuit boards, where everything was like point-to-point wiring and wired up in a bird's nest, and you have to make sure that no wires are touch adjacent wires or you'll get shorts. Very messy, but it works. And on the screen we've got the crow displaying the waveform. Which is a nice sawtooth wave operating at 20 milliseconds, 50 hertz. Now I'm going to try and see if I can film the valves on the other side. It's just going to be very tricky, so I've got to get into position and all that. Well, I've got my old video camera in one hand, I've got my phone on the other. Let's see how I go. Okay, that's one of the valves. Let's move this video lead over so I can move my camera over further. So that's the top side where all the valves are. Probably better if I switch on the light and should be able to see them better. Okay, see them a lot better. There's a couple of huge valves down there. Good old valve electronics. Alright, thought I'd do this video just for a little bit of fun. Alrighty, stay tuned for the next video update on this set. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.